In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly add your own voice in 11 Labs. Full Guide 2025. We'll start simple and move step by step so you can record your voice and transform it using 11 Labs Voice Changer without confusion. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type 11 Labs and look for the official website in the results. Click through to the site so we can access the tools we need. Once you're on the home page, locate the Voice Changer area. It's the place where 11 Labs handles speech-to-speech, meaning you'll record your own voice, and the system will convert it into a different style or character while keeping your original delivery. Click on Voice Changer to enter the tool. Inside the Voice Changer, you'll see an option to record audio. Before you click it, a quick tip. Use a quiet room, speak at a steady volume, and, if possible, wear headphones to avoid feedback. When you're ready, click Record Audio. Your browser may ask for microphone permission. Be sure to allow it so the tool can capture your voice. Now click Start to begin recording. Speak naturally, like you're reading a short paragraph. Aim for a clean sample. 10 to 20 seconds is usually enough. And avoid tapping the desk or rustling papers. If you make a mistake, you can always stop and try again. When you're done, click Stop to end the recording. With your recording captured, it's time to turn it into generated speech. Click Generate Speech. 11 Labs will process your sample and prepare a version that can be styled by different voices. This may take a moment depending on your connection and the length of your clip. While you wait, remember that clearer input gives you cleaner output, so don't worry if you need to redo a take. Once the generation is complete, you can change how your voice sounds by selecting a character or voice from the available options. Pick one that fits your project: narration, tutorial, or a more expressive character. You're not changing the words you said, just the vocal identity applied to your performance. After choosing a voice, click Regenerate Speech to apply the change. This step reprocesses your recording with the new selection, giving you an updated version to review. Listen closely, and if the tone or style isn't quite right, feel free to select another voice and regenerate again until you're satisfied. That's it. Your voice is recorded, generated, and stylized using the 11 Labs Voice Changer.